we get that lecture during second semester. So, shout out today, JGL. Who are you saying hi to?
Shout out to Paul Durbin. There. Great geometry.
Good job, Dr. Durbin. Actually, this shout out is for RJ. RJ, we're missing you today. Okay. Yeah. Riley Johnson. RJ. Yes, she's in this class, Colby. All right. The Pythagorean theorem says this. Suppose that you have a triangle that has a right angle. If we have a triangle that has a right angle, then we know something. What do we know? Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. I could show you the proof, but I'm guessing you don't want to see it. It is a beautiful thing. We use the Pythagorean theorem to be able to solve for missing sides of a triangle. So in this situation, we always start by identifying what the hypotenuse is. Which side is the hypotenuse? The longest side. Ginger and Colby, I need you to act your age, not your shoe size, okay? All right. 3. All right. So we got A and B. You guys are so, like, did you eat a bowl of stupid for lunch? What's going on? Is that what happened? Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. JGL, tell me my formula. What do I got going on here? What is A squared? 25 plus 100 is equal to C squared. Excellent. It doesn't matter which side you pick for A or B, so long as those are the legs. C must be the hypotenuse. You add it together, you get 125 is equal to C squared. Is that my answer? What do you do? Can you simplify the square root of 125? Yes, you may. Root of 25 times the root of 5, or 5 roots of 5. That is your length. Easy money. The next one, which one is our hypotenuse? Exactly, so I label that as C. This is A, this is B. What is my formula? 36 plus B squared is 169. So now, look, the variable is not on that side. It's in the middle. We subtract the 36 over. B squared is equal to 133. We square root both sides. Can you simplify the square root of 133? You may not. You may not simplify the square root of 133. And this one, C is going to be which side? 15. So we have A and B. So A squared plus 169 is equal to, what is 15 squared? 225. Subtract the 169. $56. Huh. Can you simplify the square root of 56? You can. 4 goes in how many times? Square root of 4 times square root of 14, or 2 roots of 14. I just showed you guys an application for the Pythagorean theorem when I was putting down my wood floor. Okay, I'm excited. Got your test grade. So tonight, Tenley and I, we're working on extending the wood floor even more. Okay, it's a good time. We love it. But here's another example. Okay, you have an 18-foot ladder against a building. I'm going to draw my building here. Got a window up top here. I should have been an artist. I got shutters on the windows. I got a ladder, measures 18 feet. It says that the base is 6 feet away from the wall. The question is, how high up the building does the ladder reach? So you can see that our 18 is our C value. So we have A squared plus what? 36 is equal to, what is 324. A squared is equal to, if you subtract 36 from each side, you get 288. Does anybody know a perfect square divides evenly in 288? Leslie's on fire. 144 goes in how many times? Twice. So A is 12 roots of 2. So I went home yesterday. Roofers were working on my house. Okay? I don't know. They're trying to finish up today. I don't know if they're working in the snow or not. So we do all sorts of mathematics. We're roofing and stuff like that. I'm talking to them. So suppose they ask me, what is the distance from the bottom of the roof to the top? And I use the Pythagorean theorem. I said, oh, the distance is 12 roots of 2. What do you think they're going to say? Exactly. They're going to say, come on. Don't give us 12 roots of 2. They're going to want a decimal, right? So just realize that 12 roots of 2, you can express that, or just take the square of 288, square root of 288, and you get 16.97. So I can tell them it's just short of 17 feet, 16.97. Being able to convert that into inches, that's a little bit different story. We can talk about that, but that's the idea that we can come up with that measurement, okay? That's it. You have the rest of the time to visit. Tomorrow, we will do distance formula and midpoint formula, and you'll have time to work on your assignment. Now, I do need to give fair warning as a last kind of deal. In all my classes, this is calculus included, okay? Sometimes days that the homework is due, sometimes people are handing in the homework a little bit later. When I say your homework is due, I want it at the beginning of the class period, okay? So like tomorrow, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to finish your homework in class, right? You're going to be given about 30 minutes in class. So the reason why I give you that is so then the day that you have to work on the study guide, you're not working on your homework. That's handed in, and you are then asking questions on your study guide. So do realize that the day that your homework is due, I'm going to be like at the front of class collecting them as you walk in the door, okay? And you don't got it, then sign out.